This bibliography came from a first draft of a student's research paper arguing for the benefits of having pets. It is not formatted correctly following MLA format guidelines, which you can find in the textbook beginning on page 558. We're going to work on reformatting this bibliography, but first let's look at the type of sources used. It appears that 4 of the sources are articles from academic journals, one of the sources is a website. Let's look at the website and learn how to correctly cite an article from a website. Find the web page and examine it. Based on the URL, this appears to be an article from Animal Planet. There is no author credited, nor, if we scroll down, will we find any citations. This is a popular source, which is okay, since the bibliography also included several scholarly sources for a balanced perspective. For a shortcut, use the easybib.com free citation generator. Click on Create Citations and make sure that you're using MLA8 style. Then, insert the URL into the box next to website. Let's go get that URL. And click Cite. You'll notice on the next page that EasyBib has some helpful questions you can use to verify a source's credibility. This source lacks credibility, but we will proceed with our citation anyway. Hit Cite. On the next page, review the information and note that the publisher information is missing. Hit Continue. And then on the next page, return to the URL, scroll down to the bottom, find the publisher. Here it is. Copy that information, insert it in the correct box, hit Complete Citation, and voila. Copy the citation EasyBib generated and put it in your bibliography. This citation is almost perfectly formatted. For MLA style, it still needs to be double-spaced. We're going to get there. For now, let's go back to correcting this bibliography. First, put the entries into alphabetical order. Now put each entry into the correct font and size. Times New Roman, 12 point. Now, notice the shading in the Linda Marston entry. This shading appears when you copy a citation from many library database citation generators. So if you copy this and paste it into your bibliography, the shading goes with it. If you use the Format Painter tool, you should be able to eliminate that. Sometimes you will have to retype the entire citation to get rid of the shading. Now, change the indentation from first line to hanging. Go to Paragraph, Indentation, Special, and then choose Hanging Indent from the drop-down menu. The Hanging Indent feature helps your reader easily scan your list of sources. Next, we need to fix the punctuation and italics errors. Article titles should have quotation marks around them. Journal and book titles are italicized. Capitalization is standard for titles. Do not capitalize prepositions or articles. One more thing. Let's double space it. Now this bibliography looks great.